Good evening, everyone. Myself Nitya. I am currently pursuing my engineering in Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering, Bangalore. Today, I am here to discuss about the introduction to data visualization, which means data visualization is the process of transforming the data into visual representations. It allows us to understand complex information more easily by presenting it in a visually appealing and meaningful way. The importance of effective data visualization. Let's see the importance of effective data visualization. Firstly, it helps to improve the understanding and enhance the decision making. It helps for effective communication and storytelling with the data. Effective data visualization helps us identifying the patterns, trends, and insights that might otherwise go unnoticed. It allows us to communicate complex information clearly and consistently to a wider audience. Let's see one by one. Improved understanding, which helps to improve the understanding. That means visuals make it easier for people to grasp complex data. Instead of reading the topics in the word format, like in the paragraph format, we can use this visualization technique, which helps for grasping the complex data, and which helps for remembering for the long uh, to I mean it helps to mm, it also helps to understand the concept very clearly than the paragraph format. It is very useful than the paragraph format. Visualizing format is more effective than paragraph format, and it also enhances the decision making. That is, visualizing the data helps identify trends and patterns, leads to better decision. It also helps for the better decision. Effective communication. Data visualization allows for clear and consistent communication of the insights. Storytelling with data. Visualizations can tell engaging stories through the data. By the data, by the data visualization, it can tell the story there is a lot of story behind one data visualization structure. The key principles of the data visualization designs. Let's see the key principles. Effective data visualization design follows certain key principles to ensure the clarity, accuracy, and engagement. These principles guide the designer in creating the visually appealing and information visualization. See, it helps for simplicity, clarity, and accuracy. Let's see what is the simplicity. It focuses on presenting the essential information clearly and avoid the clusters. It helps to avoid the clusters. It focuses on presenting the essential information. It only focuses on the important information. It doesn't focuses on the unnecessary information. And also it helps for use the clear label. It also helps for clarity, which means it uses a clear labels, legends, and annotations to make the visualization easy to understand. Next, it also helps to clear the labels, means clear the information. Clarity means a perfect and correct information. It will gives the correct and perfect and clear information without any unnecessary data. Accuracy, it ensures the visualization accurately representing the data and avoiding the misleading interpretations. Accuracy means correct and perfect and accurate data. It helps for visualizing a accurately representation. Next, let us see the choosing the right visualization types. Let's see the types for choosing the right visualization. These are various visualization types, each best suited for different data types and purposes. Selecting the right visualization enhances communication and insight extraction. In that we have the bar graph, line graph, scatter plots and maps. This bar graph, it effectively comparing the categorical data. It effectively it compare the categorical data. Means this is the bar graph. It helps for comparing the data. This is the bar chart. It helps for comparing the data. Let's see the line chart. It is useful for visualizing the trends over the time. Line charts, it is useful for visualizing the trends over time. This is the line chart. This is the line charts as we can see in this diagram. And scatter plots, it is ideal for showing the relationship between the two variables. It shows the relationship between the two variables. Here this is the, I mean, this is the scatter points, and here this is the scatter points. uh, in relationship, this is the scatter points. In distribution, it is the scatter points. And maps, it excellent for the visualizing the geographical data. It is helpful for the geographical data. Next, let us see the effective use of color and formatting. Why this is color and formatting is useful? Let us see why this is useful. And color and formatting plays a crucial role in data visualization. They help they help highlighting the important information and improves the overall aesthetic appeals. It helps for highlighting highlighting the important information. It helps for highlighting, means we can highlight the only important contents which helps to read very quickly, and which also helps to recall the contents very quickly. Color choice, use the color strategically to differentiate the data points and empathizes the key trends. Font selection, it it is a font selection. Choose readable fonts and appropriate font sizes for labels and annotations. Spacing and layout, ensure effective spacing between between the elements to prevent the visual clusters. Ensuring clarity and readability. Clarity and readability are paramount in data visualization. These aspects allow viewers to easily interpret and understand the information presented. Consistent formatting, it is use a consistent formatting for labels, legends and other elements. We will use the consistent formatting for the labeling and legends and other for other elements. And clear axis labels, label axis clearly and provide units of measurements. It accesses clearly and provides the units of measurements. It avoid the overcrowding. Don't jam too much information into a single visualization. Next, let's see the incorporation interactively and animation. Incorporation, interactivity and animation. Interactive and animation visualizations can enhance the engagement and provide deeper insight. They allow user to explore data dynamically and discover the hidden pattern. In that, zooming and planning, filter and sorting, and animation and transition is very important. Zooming and planning, it allows user to zoom in on a specific area of the visualization. Zooming is very important for the visualization. Filtering and sorting, it enable users to filter the data based on the specific criteria. Animation and transition, it use the animations to highlight the changes over time or empathizes key trends. Practices best practices and takeaways. By following best practices and incorporate key principles, we can create effective data visualization that communicate the insight clearly and engage viewers. Know your audience. We should know our audience, then we can tell the story and iterate and implement. First, what do you mean by know your audience? It means tailor visualizations to the specific audience and their level of understanding. Tell a story means use a data visualization to create a compelling narrative that compute the attention, and iterative and improve. It continuously refine and improve the visualizations based on the feedback and new insights. Thank you. Thanks for watching video. Don't forget to like and come. Don't forget to like and and view.